So this is Charlie. I'm Micha Fuhrmann, or Micha. I have been doing some RC helicopters for many years, and now I've been playing around with drones or multicopters. And this is a six motors, one self-leveling, so just stand there if I don't touch the sticks. It's got a GoPro and a little gimbal, so this gimbal will make sure that the GoPro is always leveled. It's electric, obviously. It's got a compass and all sorts of sensors. Yeah, it's just a hobby, so I've put it on YouTube, and yeah, just having fun, that's all, and show how beautiful the place is. You know, this is what it's all about, really, for me. Just having these shots of the color of the ocean, and yeah, just having fun.